Well, somebody's excited about it. Yes, I am wearing Christmas pajamas because I love Christmas.
Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would say too many times.
Anyway, let's get on with this video, which is on the Mac, and it's not gonna focus because I keep on moving it. Yeah, really early in the morning. I have 2 mornings. It is 8 minutes past 7. And it's still dark outside. So I'm going to take a few pumps off it. Four pumps. I'll set this with the powder, and then that'll be it for the face today. Just to really test out foundation. And I'm using the no color today. I'm using the no color powder by RCMA. Sleep time. No, it's not. So it's 27 minutes past 2. You can't even see it. Do I use a ring light? Yes, I do. Okay, and now let's see how this foundation is going. If there wasn't a hair in my mouth. Ugh. Yeah, so the foundation, I really don't understand why people absolutely rave about this. Like, I just don't know. It stayed fine around my head. It went really patchy and weird here. On my nose, it would need a good bit of powder to blend that out. My chin, it's completely away. And here, so all here, it's completely away. Yeah, I'm not impressed. As I said, it's only 2:30 and it's all off my chin and here as well, so I don't really know why people rave so much about the MAC Studio Fix. Maybe it would be a bit better if I used a beauty blender to do it, but I'm just using my brush for all of these videos. I've had my dinner, and yes, I am wearing Santa pajamas, and that is something you'll probably see a lot of. Yes, it is September. It isn't September, it's October. Anyway, so it is 7:55. Ring light. Okay, so it's 7:55 and my makeup is still off the chin. and now it has actually started to get a bit oily in between my eyebrows, and yeah, on my nose it's like completely off right at the tip. So this makeup isn't something that I would wear for an occasion. It might be nice for photos, but it's not long lasting in my opinion anyway. On oily skin, maybe it will be on drier skin, but on oily skin it definitely doesn't suit myself. It could suit you, but on me it's just not something I would wear for a long time. But it is nice for photos, and if you had more powder or if you done it with a sponge, maybe it'd be different. So I will try it with a sponge on a different occasion and just see if that works a bit better. Okay, I don't know what to say. Do I say goodbye? Yeah, okay, so I will see you in the next time. Sorry. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. So this will be a series of yeah. So Wear It For A Day will be a series, so I'll link down below the next videos. The other videos? I don't know. I don't know what I'm linking below because I haven't edited this yet. Yeah. I'm gonna go now. Bye.